Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be making a strawberry smoothie. So here we've got my strawberries. They were frozen in the freezer. I got them at Winco, and the crystals are perfect around it because it's going to melt and become part of the strawberry puree, which I want. Here we've got it loaded into the blender, turning into the strawberry puree. In this clip I have the Hershey's chocolate I'm going to add. This is how much I added. About 2 inches, I guess. Then I went ahead and did halfway up with strawberry puree. This I added next, which was coconut milk. And I filled it to the top with the coconut milk. And then I was going to mix it by hand, but I was having troubles, so I actually ended up just putting it back in the blender. And it blended it very nicely for me, although it didn't make the beautiful aesthetic coloring layers that I had hoped to get, but it still tasted awesome, even though it looks kind of bleh in color. And here we have my editing companion.
Yeah? Are you more content now that you're out of your cage?
Thank you guys so much for watching, as always. Love you. Bye.